to my channel. Thank you to all of my family, my longtime subscribers, those who have stood by me forever, and thank you for all of my new subscribers. I see you and I love you and I'm thankful for you. If you are new here today and you just stopped by because you thought that the title was interesting or the thumbnail was interesting, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a indie makeup company that I am trying for the first time. I've been wanting to show you these products for a while and just hadn't gotten around to making a video with these eyeshadows. So I'm going to do some swatches. So I've already applied this shadow here in my crease and a little bit above, and then this cream shadow above my underneath my brow line. So I've applied those two shadows. I'm going to choose one of these shadows to apply to my eyes and show you how they apply, and then we'll discuss what I think about them. Oh, and the name of the company is Fyrinnae, or Fyrinnae. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I'll put that above me somewhere. And it was so nicely wrapped, and I got rid of the bubble wrap because I do believe that was in there too, but I've already kind of swatched the shadows for myself just to see what they look like. Okay, so this is where the bubble wrap was. So these are two shadows that are in pans, and then I also ordered a shadow that was in a container, a loose shadow, and then they gave me a little sample of this purple shade here. So I'm going to show all that to you in just a second. Okay, so the first shadow that I'm going to swatch for you is called Keeper of Souls, and they really wrapped these so nicely so they wouldn't get damaged against the other shadows that were in there. The packaging itself, the little envelope that it came in, was also the insulated bubble wrapped envelopes. So I appreciate that. But they are some beautiful colors. So before I swatch, I just want to show you this in the pan. And I've been wanting to try some indie shadows that were multi-chromed, and so this was one of the ones that I found on Instagram. And then I happened to go to their website and look, and just wanted to try that. So this first one is called Keeper of Souls, and I'm just going to swatch that on my hand. So there's that. I think there's some green, gold, maybe fuchsia, a little orange, but I just thought that was so pretty online. So on to the next one. Okay, so the next one's called Mermaid Masquerade. Ooh, okay, so it's been a while. I'm getting excited all over again. And it's a deep, dark, blue, purplish. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Mermaid Masquerade. So pretty. So I think it's got a blue and a purple shift. Alright, for the loose powders, I'm going to show you the one that I actually paid for. But it came in this little, I guess this is plastic container, see-through lid. It's metal around the outside of the lid. Ooh, and that's so pretty. I do not want to spill it, but I would love for you to be able to see that in the container, so hopefully you can. I'm not trying to spill it on the carpet. But that is so pretty in the container. So just trying to just get enough on my finger. I think this day I was into deep dark colors. Alright, I want to say that's like a purple to black shift. I'm not quite sure and I don't remember. But so pretty. So I don't know, I might be doing two colors. I think I see what I want to do. All right, the last one was the sample. Okay, so the very last one is the sample that they sent me. Well, let's go ahead and swatch that one. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see if I can show you while it's still in the container. Well, these all work together really well. So I see why they sent me this one. This could be one of their newer ones. I don't know. It was either towards the beginning of the quarantine that I ordered from them or towards the middle of the quarantine, but they were very thankful that I placed an order. So this is Nepenthe. And this one, it does not have a shift that I can detect. That is very pretty. Very beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to clean my fingers off, and then I'm going to choose the colors that I'm going to show you on my eyes today. And we'll see what I think about these shadows. I'm going to go ahead and use the shadows that are in the pans, and then at a later date I'll come back and use the loose shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and use Keeper of Souls as the first shadow. And I'm just going to add that to my lids. And I don't remember whether they said that these work better with like a glitter glue or not, but ooh, it's going on very nicely. That is pretty. That is so beautiful. What do y'all think? I love this. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out a little bit, just a little. Now I want to go into Mermaid Masquerade. Let's see, I think I want to take that into the middle of my eye. Ooh. Oh my goodness, yes. Ooh, yes. Do the same for this one. So pretty. And I think I'm going to bring that under my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and bring a little more of that masquerade, or that Mermaid Masquerade, underneath my eyes, in my lower lash line. Do a little bit more. That is pretty. I didn't know it was gonna work out like that, but I'm so glad it did. So pretty. I'm going to add a little eyeliner. I'm going to add some mascara, and then I'm going to show you the final look. So this is the final look. What do you think? I'm going to let you know I am pretty impressed with the Fyrinnae or Fyrinnae pressed shadows, and I'm looking forward to trying their loose shadows as well. They have a great formula. I love the shift in the colors of those multi-chrome pressed powders, and I think I'll be placing more orders in the future for sure. They are not too expensive. As you get into the exquisite shadows, they go up in price, and they have a few more other types of multi-chrome shadows. But if you are into those type of shadows, then the price is not going to be an option for some of you. I think and would recommend upon what I have tried so far that you may want to go ahead and give them a shot. I can attest for the shadows that I have tried today. So Mermaid Masquerade and Keeper of Souls are beautiful shadows, and I would love to hear what you think of this look and how you feel that the shadows applied and what they look like on my eyes just on camera. Let me know what you think about that. And have you heard of Fyrinnae before, or Fyrinnae? And if you know how to pronounce it, please let me know. If the company is watching, I would love to find out if I pronounced them correctly or if I butchered them with both attempts to pronounce it right. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Take care, have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video. God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.